Hello. Okay, so live stream is started. Okay,
Okay.
Okay,
so
sir.
guys, today we are okay. Let me present the screen. We have not
Yeah.
found the TCS NQT seat of Striver as Striver has updated the website. So
Okay.
we are taking the questions and are going to solve these. So let me open whiteboard. As you guys see, okay. So basically, we will do four questions. One is binary to decimal. Number two is decimal to binary. Number three, decimal to octal. Number four,
Bas, that's it for today.
hexa decimal to decimal. So
Decimal.
if you do these four questions, you can do any questions regarding this number system. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So guys,
Okay, okay.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
अच्छा.
Okay,
All
so
right.
let us create a new class which is, let's say, binary to decimal. Binary to, okay, let's say number system. Let's say create a package, then binary to decimal. Okay,
Okay.
done. Okay, okay, add that. Now what we are going to do is, you are given a number a, let's say this is 1011. You have to find the decimal form of it, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay.
So what is the decimal number of 1011? Tell me
1
guys.
into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1
2 to
into
the
2
power
to the
0.
power 3.
11.
Yes, it is 11. So now 1 into 2 to the power 0, so that means we have to run a for loop.
You can just write the formula in the hashtag part.
Yes, I can write that also, but let's take an answer equals to 0. Okay, now the formula is, formula from binary to decimal is uh, the binary number to the power its place value,
2
its
to the power
place.
n minus 1.
Nah, binary number into,
Not play
The
will
addition
be
of
to the
the
power n minus 1. N minus 1 will be
into
there.
2 to the power, into 2 to the power n minus 1. It's okay,
okay.
to the power n minus 1.
It's actually the addition after multiplication.
Yes, plus dot 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 dot.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
this
yeah.
is the binary number. This is 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus something something
Yes, yes,
something.
yes, yes. I understood.
Okay. Now what we have to do is, we have to run a for loop from the end, and we have to do these calculations.
Okay.
isn't it? So do you know what is the, how can we iterate this, how can we find the length of this number?
Mhm.
Like we have to iterate 4 times, right? So how can we find the length of that number?
10 times.
4 times, it is, we have to
Yes,
iterate it
yes.
4 times,
4
right?
times.
So how
Yes.
can we get the length of the number?
Equal to 0 to. Yes, you are already telling that it is 1011, so you can just write
No,
less
it is
than
it
4.
is it is not given. It can be 10111. Then, like, it is user defined.
Then, okay.
You have given 4 test cases, so all test cases the number will be different. So you have to take it as an user defined. Vishal, do you have any
Okay,
clue
so
how can we
n
find
n minus 1.
what?
Like that. N minus 1.
No, no, no. In -1, this is
No,
n
no,
is like one
No,
zero
no,
one
no, it
one.
will
no,
be n. Yes, yes, it will be n.
No.
no, no, no.
Do you know Vishal? Vishal?
No, no.
Okay. So there is a formula to find the uh, length of a number. This is math dot log of a plus 1. Okay. Plus what it is happening? That math dot log of a means, okay, so here a is 1011, right? So log of a means how much? This is 1011, we can write it as 10 to the power 3. 1011, can we write it as 10 to the power 3 plus something?
3 plus 11.
10 to the power yes, 10 to the power 3 plus 11 or something. So if we take the log of it, so it will give me 3, isn't it?
3 log 10.
Yes, 3
Yes,
log 10. So 3 log 10 is 3,
yes.
and plus 1 is 4. So math dot log of a will give the
Okay.
length of the number minus 1. So if we add a plus 1, then it will give the length of that number. Okay,
Yes, yes.
that's how
Understood.
we get the length of a number. So we iterated this, and now
But log once again.
uh okay, so you didn't get it. Okay, so that's how it works. 1011. Okay, so can we write it? Okay, so if we take log of log base 10 of this thing, what will it go? Then we have to take all the numbers as integer, right? So log of this thing, can we write it as log of log base 10,
Hmm.
10 to the power 3
Yes.
plus something. So plus something is not taken as it consider only the integer number. So plus something will not consider as integer. So highest power is uh, log of 3, right? 10
Okay.
to the power 3.
3
So
will come from
3 will come here, and log 10 base 10 is 1. So
1.
it will give me 3. If it is not clear, you can calculate it afterwards. Okay.
Function always return double value though.
Yes.
Then the point value will come.
No, it gives the length. I know. Point value will not come. It is, I think, I forgot the calculation why 11 is not taken. mm, you can take 10 to the power 3 plus log of 11 base 10. So it will be, no, no, no. How can you do that? You cannot do that. Plus 11. 10 to the power 3 plus 11. You have to neglect these 11 to get it. Anyhow, like if it is, it will be 10 to the power 3 plus something, isn't it, Vishal?
Into your 3 plus 11.
This is 10 to the power 3 plus something. So any number between any number which is 4 digit, it will be 10 to the power 3 plus something. So the 3 will come, and 3, you don't have to take this thing, you just take the 3. This is, you just take it as 1. Okay, it doesn't matter 1 point something or something like that. You have to take the 3, and anything
Okay.
beside it, you don't take it. Okay,
If we convert a number to a string, then we calculate the length of that number. Then also.
this is very big calculation. This is a shortcut, math dot log of this. So this will come as 3 point something, so as integer it will come as 3.
Okay.
3 plus 1, then it will become 4
Yeah,
times.
3 or plus 1 is 4. Okay, now, oh, so much of calculation, I forgot the steps. Okay, so now what we will do
Now
is
we multiply and add.
answer equals to answer plus plus uh, a modulo 10. It will give me the 1 into into 2 to the power I, isn't it? It will give me that, right? Into math dot power of 2 to the power I. Okay, I think it will give the answer 255. How? Answer equals to answer plus this thing. Okay, answer.
Can you tell me that why you are doing a modulo 10?
What?
Can you tell me once that why you are doing a
Remainder
modulo 10?
part. Remainder part.
A modulo 10 means the remainder part, the last part.
The last part.
Okay.
Yes, and then we have to do a equals to a by 10, right? So that it doesn't take the same thing.
Yes. Now it is correct.
No, it is not correct, as the integer is gone. So we have to copy it into another integer, and then we can do that. Like, we have to take, let's say you have to change, you can change this. Now I think it will work. Yes, because what was happening, that if I a equals to a by 10, so now a will become 101. So here it will affect, here the number, it should have gone 4 times, but it will go 3 times. That's why the number was gone. That's why we copied the number into another number, and so that it doesn't hamper the iteration. Okay, you understand,
Yes. Yes.
Ronit? Understand?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that was an easy thing to do, and this like comes into the exams so many times. Like I have given some of the exams and I got this in some exams also. Okay, so we have done binary to decimal. Now we can convert binary to octal also. So it will, no, what binary to decimal. Also, any other number to decimal we can convert, or we can switch decimal to binary. Which one is more preferable?
Decimal to binary.
Okay, let's switch from decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. Okay, so let's make it clear so that later when you get the code, you can judge it easily. So what is the formula from decimal to binary?
Like, divide by
Divide
2
by
and the
2.
remainder part will
Yes, so we will divide a number by 2 and we'll take the remainder, right?
store the remainder part in some other variable.
Yes. So we will take the remainder as a string, isn't it? So divide a
Yes,
number
then it will be the easy part.
by 2,
What?
then calculate backwards as it is. Okay, so let's say we are given a number int decimal equals to 546. We have to int binary equals to, let's say, 0. We have to calculate the binary form of 546. Okay, let's take a small number, 16, or let's say 17. So we can judge it easily. What is the binary form of 17?
One.
Isn't it 2 to the power 4?
1
Yes,
triple
yes,
zero
yes,
1.
right, right.
Yes.
16 plus 1.
Right.
So we can take a for loop. No, we can take a while loop. While
While loop.
decimal is greater than equals to 2, it will divide until it will be not less than 2, like 0, or if 17 becomes 0 or 1, then it will stop, isn't it? So we have to do it, and we will take a string answer equals to, let's say, null string. It will be easier if we answer this binary. So what we do is uh, binary equals to decimal modulo 2. Binary plus equals to decimal modulo 2. So what will happen is decimal will be divided by 2 and the remainder will be added to the binary number. Okay, so now decimal by equals to 2.
Okay.
Understand?
Divide by 2.
Yes, yes. So will
Yes.
it take it from backward or frontward? Like 17 by 2 is no, it will take from, like, from last to first, right? But we have to calculate it from first to last. So you have to reverse the decimal, isn't it?
I think it is correct.
Huh?
It will store from the last only, na? 7, 15 by 2, then
But we have to calculate from the down to up, right?
Yes.
So what is the decimal number of 14? It is like palindrome, so it will not calculate it. What is the decimal of 14? or let's say 11. What was it? That was 11 was easier, like we
No,
have
one
done it.
zero one one.
1011.
1011.
So I think the answer here it will come as 1101. Let's see. Bro, what happened? Yes, it is 110, and the last one is uh,
I think decimal should be greater than 1, greater than 0.
what?
Decimal should be greater than 0.
No, no, no. Better than 0. It's okay. It's okay. Like I divided until 2, and if the remainder is uh, greater than 0 is, yes, it will work also, but it is also okay. I added it extra. Okay, at the last, if the remainder is something. Okay, 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 let's see. Greater than 0, it will work. Yeah, so it is 1101, not 1011. Why? Because it is calculated from like this. I can say, see. This is 1, this is 17 or 11. Okay, so this is 2, this is 5, this is 1, 2, 1. Wait a second, how can I mute? Then it will come as uh 5, 2, this is 1, and this is 0, and this is 1. So we have to take it like this, 1011. So we have to take the last one first. But here what is happening is, it is taking the first one 1, then adding it to 1, then adding it to 0, then adding it to 1, isn't it? So this is giving last to first. So we have two approaches to do it. One is simply reversing the string, which is
Only we will do binary equals to decimal mod 2 plus bin. Then
yes,
also it will be done.
yes, that's it. That's great. We will add the number plus binary. So what is happening is, the number is added at the last of it. At first it is calculating the remainder, adding it, and then
Then it is
the
adding.
number is the previous number is added. Now it will work. Yes, now it is 1011. You understand, bro?
Yes.
Just tell again the whole steps.
What?
Just tell again what you are doing in each step.
In you understand the previous approach?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what I am doing is, let's say at first it is 1. Okay, so at first it is 1. What it is happening is, uh, it is adding the number at the last of it. Let's say this is 1, so 1 is here, and then the 1 comes, so 1 will come here, and then the number will be added. The previous number which was stored will be added at the last of the number. So 1 will be added here, isn't it? So decimal by 2 is the 1. It is the
It's the
1.
last position.
Yes, and the number which was stored here will be placed at the last position. And then what happen is this is the 0, 0 comes. So 0 comes plus the previous number. Previous number was 1 1. So 1 1. So now the number is 0 1 1. And then 1 comes. The last one is 1. So 1. Then this number will come here. Placed here. So 1 0 1 1. So it comes as reversed. You got it?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So
Yes,
that
yes.
small step is can
Written here.
do it, and if you cannot remember it, you can simply run a for loop and then reverse the string. It will also work. That is more optimized approach. Okay, so now the last problem is hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal to decimal. Let's say. Then the if these three are enough to solve all the questions like this. Hexadecimal to it's a binary decimal, sorry. Okay, so tell me the approach. Let's say, so hexadecimal we have to take it as string hexa equals to, let's say, 76A, or let's say B.
We have to start a for loop.
What?
For loop.
Okay, so we will, as it is converted to decimal, so we will convert store all the number as decimal. So what will the approach be is same, that the number uh, into 16 pro number into 16 to the power
N
place
minus
value
1.
to the power n minus 1, let's say. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so now we'll hexa answer equals to 0, let's say. So for int I equals to 0, I less than, so it is as it is a string, so we can easily do it as
Dot
hex dot
length.
length I plus plus. Now what will happen at that, you have to take a as 0, a as 10, b as 11. How can you do that in a single
I
string?
equals to hexa dot length minus 1. If we do, then
What?
reverse the.
Okay, you can do it also like that. No, you can do it by minus I plus 1 also. Okay,
Yes.
so hex dot length is uh, 3, right? So it will take as character y minus 1, so I minus 1. Okay, now it's okay.
Hmm.
Okay, so now tell me that how can I write b as 11 in one frame? So let's say if it is not numeric, how can I express it as not numeric? Mhm. If hex dot caret I is hex dot caret I is greater than 9, let's take a
Hex dot I is 0, na? Okay, okay.
proper value. Hex dot caret I, and hex dot caret I is less than. So if it is within A to Z, then we will implement this code
A
that.
to Z, A to F only. A to Z,
Oh,
Y.
sorry. A to F. If it is A to F, then what will happen? We can
Again,
put
if
A is equal to 1, B equals to 2, right? That.
if again we have to put if hex dot caret I equals to A, then this value, again this value,
Okay,
like
that
this.
is the solution. But we can write directly also that if it is like that, then what we can okay, let first write the code for the normal number. For if it is 6, then what will happen? Hex answer plus hex. Array bro, answer hex answer plus equals to this number. So integer dot parse int hex dot caret
Caret I.
I. So I have to put it as integer string. Okay, put it as string. Uh, Done. Okay, into math bro, math dot power of 16 comma 0, right? First one is 0. So what will happen is 16 comma I minus, what is I here? I here is 2. I have to make it a 0. 3 minus 2. How can I make it a 0, bro? Like iterating this at the from the last one.
Start the for loop from 0 and I less than.
Mm, Iterator length is 3 minus I. So I
I
is
is
hex dot length
to
minus 1
I is to, it will be not possible. Hex dot length minus I.
minus 1.
Hmm.
It will work, right?
I think no one bracket should be there.
No, it's all okay. Hex dot length is 3 minus 2 minus 1.
Minus one.
And
Then
first one, if you travel to the second one, it is 3 minus 2
one.
minus 1. Yes, it is working.
Working.
So it for normal condition it is working, and if it is A to F, then what will happen? That this thing will change.
Yes.
It is a bit critical, isn't it? So this thing will change. So what we have to place is uh, Okay, so what is the value of A?
10.
10, 10.
Or a value of A is 10, not that I was talking about. Okay, let's take it. Let's show some power. A minus x dot caret I plus 10. It is okay, right? So if it is A, let's say if it is A, then A minus A is 0 plus 10. It is 10. If it is B, so A minus B is minus 1 plus
Should be
10.
B
It is
minus
minus
A.
9.
It should be hex dot caret I minus A.
Yes. Minus A. Yes. Now it will work. Isn't it? Why it is giving such things? I don't know. I don't care. X answer. X answer never accessed. Okay, okay, okay. So now print X answer. Come, bro, please. I am waiting for the error. What is string input B? Where is the error? B minus A Phew. Is it okay? Is it the answer? Bro,
No.
you should say yes. Why? What is the answer?
7 into 16 into 16. 16 power 16, how many?
16 into 16.
256
Yes.
into 7. How many?
Don't say how many. I cannot say. दिमाग खराब करता है जहाँ दिल कहता है
Control your
लाओ रे लाओ रे.
control your emotion, bada pao. Your PC is getting low power. Please connect it.
This is the answer. Yes. You have to accept. A to the e to the power 0 means 10 to the power
Ronit,
0 into
where is Ronit?
10 into 16 to the power 0 means 10. Okay. 11 plus 6 into 6 into, okay, so we have done something logical mistake. 6 into 16, what is the thing? 11 plus, okay, x answer plus fuck you.
Live stream has been stopped, I think.
No. Answer come, bro, because I was not iterating the zeroth index. I was not iterating this fucking index. That's why it was giving error. Okay, this is the answer, I think. If it is not, you
That
can't paste. 7 into 16 into, Ronit, are you there? Can you help me
Yes.
calculating this? Okay, is it the answer? Tell me, bro.
Yes, yes, doing.
Yes, that's the answer. So, solve the question. Yeah, yeah. I was getting a little mistake that I'm not iterating the zeroth index.
no, bro. This
Why
is
not?
not the answer.
What is the answer?
1898.
1899 though.
It is 1899. His calculation missed.
1899. It is.
Yes,
7 into 16 into 16 plus 16 into
it is
6
one.
plus
Fuck
10.
you,
189.
bro. Fuck you,
It's possible.
bro. I have to cut my live stream.
Hey, 10 chilo. अच्छा 20 chilo था 11.
अशिक्षित साला
Okay, okay.
दिमाग खराब करता है. I, I have to talk to you after this live stream. Okay. I have so many words for you.
Strategic timeout.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Have a
How it's
great day.
become?
Enjoy
Hey,
solving this question.
when
It
you
is
Like,
10%.
explain,
share, and subscribe to
Yeah,
this
subscribe
YouTube
the channel
channel.
and it is 9%. It will shut down, bro. Okay, okay. Good night, guys. Subscribe the channel and get the codes in GitHub. Okay, I will paste the link in the description. Bye bye. How do I have to stream? Okay, stop stream.
okay, stop.